Welcome back to another vlog. This is my little room, simple, peaceful, and a place where I start my day. Today we are heading out to visit another sacred site, and I'm glad you're coming along. Thank you for watching, and a special thanks to those of you found me through the B1M. It means a lot. What makes Bhutan truly unique is its deep-rooted belief system and spiritual way of life. We become what we believe, and those beliefs have been passed down through generations, not through books, but through stories, practice, and lived experience. There may be no written evidence to prove what we do or why we do it, yet it remains an inseparable part of who we are. Even the smallest traditions, symbols, or rituals, we preserve them, we protect them, and we proudly carry them forward. This is the Bhutanese way of life. So when you go to Chhokhortoe, you'll find this stone. If the stone goes out of this surface, then you are free from hell. You'll not be born into hell. So this is what people often believe, and they come here. They do this. If you're interested, you must try this. Now we are heading towards Chhokhortoe, but we're not sure which part of Chhokhortoe. We're just going out and then gonna explore any sacred place. As I travel along this quiet road, I am reminded of how peaceful life can be when we slow down. Every turn, every hill, every valley, it carries the rhythm of Bhutan's calm spirit. The journey itself becomes a meditation, a moment to reflect, to breathe, and just be present. Zangtherpo once again. Today I came here at Shukdra Monastery. Zhugdra is one of the 4 dras here in Bumthang. So we'll go there and then try to explore. We'll get to learn so many things about this monastery and let you all know how important this monastery is for us, for you, for all of us. So keep watching. Shukdra Gemba, also known as Chungchen Khadingdra, is one of the Guru Rinpoche's 4 sacred cliffs in Bumthang, Bhutan, where he meditated to subdue evil spirits. The site is believed to have been blessed by Guru Rinpoche and is associated with the discovery of treasures by Theten Pemalingpa. Shukdra features Guru Rinpoche's handprint, footprint, and body print, as well as Khandro's footprint and holy water. The Shukdra Lakhang was built in 1944 by Garpan Nado, with the structure incorporating the natural cliff face and housing a statue of Guru Rinpoche. And this one is the holy water blessed by Guru Rinpoche and the darkness. If you have not watched one of my previous videos, you should watch here. Today I came here after some gap, so it is going to be so interesting for us as well as you to get glimpse of this sacred place. I don't know whether this is visible or not. It is written as Shukdra. There are different accounts in which the name Shukdra is given. Some say it is Zhugdra, some say it is Shukdra, but let's go and hear from the in charge here. We'll ask him and try to know whether it is Shukdra or Zhugdra. If you're tired of walking, then you can take rest here. I have been asked by some of the Westerners to make a video about this kind of places. This is for you all who have been requesting me to make a video, and I hope you guys will enjoy watching this video. So keep watching till the end. By the way, I just forgot to mention about the time. It won't take more than a few minutes to climb from the road point. And finally, we have met to Zhugdra monastery, and here it is. This monastery is built on a cliff overlooking the valley. So it's a huge cave, and recently it has got a renovation. And this is the new look of this monastery. I can take photo and pictures outside the surroundings, so it is fine, and I'll talk about monastery later on. Earlier there used to be a stair from here. Now it is made from here. Lots of improvement has brought here. Climbing this stair, you'll have to be careful. There's a chances of falling. This is the main entrance to the temple, and I have been told that there are so many sacred items in this monastery, and as well as monastery surrounding. Look at this cliff. If you're planning to come here, if you even want to, sit and do some sort of a meditation, we have space here, so you can get ready with that and come here. Guru Rinpoche came here and sit here doing meditation to subdue the demon harming the entire village. So he sat here and did some meditation. After that, Guru Rinpoche spent 3 more years doing meditation in the cave. He was able to bring peace and harmony in the village. He converted them into the protective deities of Dharma. There are many stories about how Zhugdra got its name. Zhugdra is derived from Shukposhing, juniper tree, Guru Rinpoche's walking stick, which he left at the cliff to benefit sentient creatures. As a result, it is known as Shuk, juniper tree, and Drak cliff. As Guru Rinpoche sat and meditated on the cliff, some people call it Zhugdra. The most well-known name is Chungchen Khadingdra, the cliff resembling a huge flying Garuda. As a result, locals refer to it as Zhugdra. Some people even call it Shuldra, the last cliff of the 4 to be blessed by Guru Rinpoche. So many pilgrims are coming here. It's one of the iconic spots in Bumthang. After the complete renovation of this monastery, they will make a trail, just below the temple, and from there they will allow the visitors to go around and then they will come through this trail. So it is going to be very adventurous for those who love traveling. Best time to come to Bumthang and visit this kind of sacred place is during the spring season and autumn season. Now we are done with Shukdra monastery. Next is Zhugdra. See you at Zhugdra.